So here goes the spread, and here is your card, right? So please do not be alert, please do not be alarmed. The fact that I'm doing this as a live reading, it is not something of a setup, which I've already made, and I've made sure that I'll pull you all the nice and bright looking cards. For those who do not know tarot, please do not be alarmed with this death card, because no matter how horrible or how negative connotations it give you, और death सुनते ही ना हमारे दिमाग की घंटी बजने लगती है. So you understand, so this is not to say that in fact is such a beautiful card, because death is actually something that tells you that something in your life is not working. और क्या होता है ना, जब कोई चीज़ गल जाती है, सड़ जाती है, स्टेल हो जाती है ना, तो क्या होता है कि it kind of sabotage our growth. You understand? So it's like it becomes a self-limiting aspect of your life. Right? Tarot death is in fact telling you, so you look at the imagery, because my idea of reading for you is also to educate you about the card, right? To inform you about the card, to share my limited knowledge with you. So here is this death card, which is like the skeleton who's sitting on this white horse, so this symbolism is very powerful, because at the end of the day there is no running away from the mortality aspect of it, right? So everything that has a beginning will come to its own natural conclusion, inevitable, which is like death or dying, so this is something, it tells you that there are certain aspects of our life. So it does not mean, सबसे पहले तो it does not mean that there is a literal death happening, right? So don't be misled by thinking now कि कुछ बुरा होने वाला. It is not that. In fact क्या होता है कि कुछ बुरा खत्म होने वाला है, एक साइकिल जो है वो खत्म होने वाली है, जिसमें आप फंसे हुए हो, जिसमें आप ग्रो नहीं कर पा रहे हो, राइट? यू pay attention to the sun which is rising on the horizon. You understand that there may be several aspects of your life, or one aspect of your life for that matter, maybe it's your workspace, maybe you love your relationship, where is something needs to give. Something needs to give का क्या मतलब है कि कुछ चीज़ को आपको जाने देना होगा, because that change when death card appears, this message is, I do not like to say this, but then there is a sense of inevitability in the set of events which are going on with you, right? So there is an inevitable factor, मतलब वो होना ही होना, वो नियति है, हाँ? लेकिन at the same time, where does the guidance part of the tarot comes in, that is for you to be able, for you to be aware, for you not to be alert or alarmed, but for you to be aware that look, this is something which is already outlived. Just to give you an example, my example, I would say, that I had been a professional, and I had been, in my work experience, I had been doing pretty well, but at the same time, I had this career spans of good 12, 14, 15 years, in a otherwise glamorous, buying and marketing and merchandising kind of a scenario. Fashions and apparels, it does not look like, but yes, that was what I was doing. And then there came a point in time when I began to feel the sense of void and a disconnect, that okay, बाहर से तो सब अच्छा है, but growth नहीं हो रही है, there is something which is missing, there is some calling which is not being kind of attended to or taken care of. Of course, this is my spiritual journey over the years that allowed me that sense of awareness, क्योंकि वो ऐसे आती भी नहीं है, right? So I'm sharing from my own personal experiences is that eventually I came to a point when, because I had the sense of awareness, that something has to give. Eventually there was a sign of it was a sort of a train wreck. Train wreck का मतलब क्या है? One thing led to another in terms of things not happening. So I tried there were a lot of hit and misses kind of a scenario, and I thought I'll not do this a full-time job, and I started my own venture, and that also, nosedive. And then the corona hit and pandemic, and then everything changed. So what I'm trying to say is that now when I look back, I said it could not have happened better, because those things did not work out for me, so that something that I was meant to do, because tarot reading, the reading has been a vocation, my love, I have been interested in all things esoteric right from the childhood, numerology, astrology, Linda, Hero, zodiac, whatever. But then I could not bring myself to do it as my vocation, as a full-time occupation, if I may say so, right? वो एक होता है ना, एक हिच होता है, एक hesitation होता है, that whether I'm good at it, whether I'll be able to survive, and things like that, right? So I'm just giving you a very personal example here, is that eventually when one door closes, the other opens, right? But let that door close. I would say to the extent of kick it out, just bang it on their heads, bang it with your own to tell you can use your expletives. I'm not going to use it over here, but then you have to let that door be closed. Do not let the other person do it for you, do it for yourself. So if you are in a suffocating job kind of a scenario, छोड़ दो, छोड़ दो, छूट रही है, छोड़ दो, जाने दो. If you are in a relationship, if it's not working, take a decision, take a stand. The choice to stay put or to move on is always yours. It is very easy to paint the other person black and white, but it doesn't work like that. Eventually it is your choice that you are choosing to be in that powerless situation. The fact is that you have to remove the blindfold and open your eyes and see you are not powerless, right? So does it make sense, my dear? So to let go of something which is not serving, which is self-limiting, which is sabotaging in nature, and embrace new beginnings, right? Embrace new beginnings, because in any which ways the circumstances that you are in is painful and inevitable. But then if you're aware, if you're spiritually aligned, if you are more in sync with the rhythm of the universe, and उसके लिए lunar full moon and लूनर न्यू मून, ये दो इम्पॉर्टेंट इवेंट्स हैं जो कि बहुत ज़रूरी हैं हमारे लाइफ्स में. सो इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर यू टू, जिसको बोलते हैं ना, एक तरीके से फ्रीक्वेंसी मैच करने के लिए. सो लेट गो ऑफ सम थिंग्स विच आर नॉट सर्विंग, विच हैव उनका शेल्फ लाइफ ख़त्म हो गई, राइट? आपकी गलती नहीं है, दूसरे की भी गलती नहीं है, सर्कमस्टांसेस ऐसे हैं ना. वी विल नॉट इंडल्ज इन pinning blame, we will not indulge in shifting blame, we will take ownership, we will take responsibility. As I said right in the beginning ना, कि गाड़ी में पैसेंजर सीट पे बैठना है या गाड़ी चलाने की हिम्मत करनी है ना. तो गाड़ी चलाने की हिम्मत करनी है ना, तभी तो मज़े ले पाओगे, तभी तो रुक पाओगे, चल पाओगे ना. जहाँ चलना है, जहाँ पहुँचना है, पहुँच पाओगे. और हो सकता है कि किसी को साथ भी बैठा लो, क्योंकि जो आपके साथ बैठा है वो आपका फेलो ट्रैवलर है, वो आपका डेस्टिनेशन नहीं है. डोंट मिस्टेक द टू टुगेदर. ओके, सो डज इट मेक सेंस? So all right, so please let go, let one door get closed on you for the new ones to open. There are myriad possibilities, opportunities. Please pay attention to the rising sun on the horizon. They look at the reaction of these three people. There is this Pope here, he's a religious figure. He is responding to death in a different manner. This is a normal day-to-day person who is turning his face away from the dead because they don't want to acknowledge their presence. You understand? एक sense of denial हो जाता है ना हमारे अंदर कि भाई नहीं, ये नहीं है, ये हमारे साथ हो ही नहीं सकता, ये होगा ही नहीं, that kind, which is not healthy again. And look at this child over here, he's looking at such a loving, with a rose in their heads, they are looking at it as if like ये तो कुछ है ही नहीं, तो मज़ा है, it's like a fun thing, because somewhere they have maintained their innocence, ignorance में भी bliss होता है ना. So they are more accepting of that, and that is why even in the darkest of their times, as you've seen kids also now, they can play with fire. Of course, that is not the right thing to do, but what I'm trying to say is that at the end of the day, they are more embracing and accepting of changes. But the more intellectual and more smart we become, we try to kind of manipulate and exploit a set of certain events, which is not the right thing to do, because somewhere or the other, you are actually eating into your reserves, So idea is, advice is that on this full moon, please optimize your resources, okay? All right, so we move on to the next